Geometry is extremely used for engineers, architects, painters, carpenters, teachers, and many more. So let's begin with the topic fundamental concepts of geometry. So very first is point. If we simply put a dot on a plane, it's called point. It has no length, breadth and thickness. Line. It's a straight path which doesn't have fixed length. It can be extended infinitely in both directions. That's why we put arrow on both sides. Here, AB is a line. Ray. It's a straight path which can be extended indefinitely in one direction only. It has no fixed length. Here, CD is a ray. We put arrow on one side of a ray. Line segment. It's a straight path which has definite length. Actually, it's a part of line. We can measure its length. So it has two endpoints. Here, CD is a line segment. Intersecting lines each other at a point, then these lines are called intersecting lines. Here, L and M are intersecting lines and O is called point of intersection. Examples of intersecting lines are scissors, recrossing of railway track, etc. Parallel lines. If two lines never intersect each other at any point, then these lines are called parallel lines. The distance between these two lines remains same throughout. Examples are railway track, stairs, etc. So next is perpendicular lines. Two lines are said to be perpendicular if they meet each other at an angle of 90 degree, means right angle. Here, P and Q are perpendicular lines. The examples are grid paper, tie, etc. I hope it's all clear to you.